Hi, what's up, Ankr coin holder? So we will talk about the Ankr coin price prediction, and this video is very special for all of you now because my brother, in the current condition is very critical now, and the holders are doing very huge mistake. So if you also do this mistake, so you will be lost, and you will not get a profit. Let's get start a brand video, my brother. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel, please, because if you like video and subscribe channel, then you will never miss our updates, and absolutely ABC channel will guide you, update you. My brother, in last 1 hour minus 1.8% they are losing now, and last 24 hour minus 2.3% they are losing now, but just in only last 7 days 16.55% they will profit now. So that's a really great news, my brother. They will get a profit in last 7 days, but my friend, the last 24 hour change occur very bad now, and definitely, my friend, in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore, please don't see, my friend, the short fails of Ankr coin. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time Ankr will moving an upward, and Ankr will completely, my friend, is going the moon now in upcoming time. So just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time, my brother. This time you can see here the triangle will make here now. So this triangle is completely showing, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a 77% chances so they will moving in upward direction. And the first triangle, this triangle, as you can see, my brother, after the resistance line, when they hit the resistance line, so definitely they will become to profit. But if they will fails down, they will dumps down. So just in only, as you can see, my brother, they will losing now. Kindly holder, I expect this from Ankr coin to they will move upward action, and they will give you a profit. What's your expectation? Tell me in a comment box. This will be very important for everyone now. Thanks for watching, Ankr coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.